Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. That's Akshita Bhuya and I'm going to share a video today completely related to the hair care. And Plum has launched a new range that is Plum Shampoo that contains peptides and coconut milk. This have given me a wonderful result and I have been using this product last from 15 to 20 days. Here there are four products in this range, that is hair shampoo, conditioner, hair mask and serum, but I have purchased only three of them that you can see on the screen, and I'm going to show you a live demo of how I use it and how I got this result that claims that 22 times more smoothness and softness in your hair. Let's watch it. And guys, if you are new to my channel and if you are really interested to watch such videos related to makeup, skincare, hair care and my daily routines that I share on my channel, if you are interested to watch such videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Here I am using this Plum Shampoo which contains coconut milk and peptides, where this claim that it strengthens your hair and gives shines to your hair. Let's talk about coconut milk. Coconut milk makes your hair looks more shiny. After shampoo, I am using the hair mask that you can see. And this hair mask also contains peptides. Same, it gives strength to your hairs and fix your hair properly, and you get a shiny and healthy hair. After using this hair mask, I use the serum that contains Squalane and coconut milk, and I'm using this hair serum that gives additional shine to your hair and you get a soft hair in just one wash using these three products. And if you are really interested to get this product, do check out the description box. As you have seen the results, how I apply it, how I got this result, and I 100% agree with this product that it gives you 22 times more softness and smooth hair in just one wash. You can go and check out this product on the website, or I have shared the link below. You can click it on and purchase it using my coupon code that I have mentioned in the description box. Now you can go and get your product.